Pour some oil, let it warm. Add jeera. Now mustard seeds. Now hing. Now ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Now turmeric powder. Now Kashmiri red chili powder. Now salt, pink salt used here. Now cumin powder. Now fennel seeds. Now roasted and crushed coriander seeds. Now garam masala.
Subscribe.
Can add some water for fluidity. Now boiled and mashed potato. Now hara dhania. .5 cup besan. You can add some baking soda also for fluffiness. Now turmeric powder. Now hing. A half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. A half teaspoon salt. Mix it well.
Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.
Warm oil on pan. Fry on medium to high flame.
Subscribe.
Serve and enjoy.
Subscribe. Like, comment, share.